We're going to start our quadratics 2 review. We're going to start by looking at expanding and simplifying two binomials, first by multiplying using what we called the FOIL pattern. You may recall that the FOIL pattern means that we're going to be multiplying our firsts, outsides, inside, and last. So again, F stands for the firsts, O is for the outside, I is for the inside, L is for our last. So when we go through and we're multiplying, what we want to make sure that we're doing is that we're using this FOIL pattern. So in this case, I'm going to multiply the x times the x. So this is going to equal x squared. Then I'm going to multiply x times negative 3. So x times negative 3 gives me negative 3x. Then I'm going to multiply my insides. So positive 5 and x. So that's going to give me positive 5x. And finally, I'm going to multiply my lasts, or positive 5 times negative 3. And that's going to give me negative 15. So now what I need to do is collect my like terms. So my like terms right now are negative 3 and positive 5x. So I'm going to collect my like terms. I've got 2x minus 3x plus 5x leaves me with positive 2x minus 15. Now you notice there are no more like terms. Each one of the terms in here is its own type of term because they don't share a common variable and they don't share a common exponent. So we'll take a look at the second example here on the right-hand side. Again, we're going to go through very much the same process. We're going to multiply our firsts, our outsides, our insides, and then our lasts. So when we multiply our firsts, I'm going to take positive 2x times x. And that's going to equal positive 2x squared. Then I'm going to multiply my outside. So I've got 2x times positive 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10x. And then I'm going to multiply my inside terms. So I've got negative 7 times x. That will give me negative 7x. And then finally, I will multiply my last terms, which is negative 7 times positive 5. And that's going to give me negative 35. So again, what I need to do is collect my like terms. Again, the only two like terms that I see in this particular equation here are positive 10x and negative 7x. So when I go through and I collect my like terms, I'm going to have 2x squared plus 3x minus 35. Okay, so again, you always need to make sure you're multiplying your first terms, outside terms, inside terms, then the last terms, collect any like terms, and then you are done.